Hello students, good morning. Now this is your social study class. Students, give your attention. Today we are going to learn very short type answer for the question. Okay? One or two words. You have to write the answer in one or two words, or these questions can be given as MCQ where some options will be there, where some options are provided and you have to find out the correct option. So students, now what we are doing, we are doing one or two answer in one or two words. Listen carefully and learn it also. Answer the following in very short type answers. Okay, this is very short type answers. 1. Some necessary facilities in our neighborhood. The answer will be services. Question 2. Who goes to school for learning? That is you. Students. Who goes to school for learning? Answer, students. Where we go to buy things of our daily use? Shops and markets. What you will write? Shops and markets. Where we go to buy things of our daily use? The answer will be shops and markets. Number 4. Where we go when we fall sick? Hospital. Answer is hospital. Question 5. Which van carries sick and injured people to hospital? The answer is ambulance. Okay. Which van carries sick and injured people to hospital? Answer, ambulance. Learn the spellings also. Okay. When you will write, the spelling must be correct. Correct spelling you will write. Okay. So learn the difficult spellings. So the answer is ambulance. Number 6. Who examine patients and give them medicines? Doctor. Question is, who examine patients? Who examine patients and give them medicine? Doctor. Don't write nurse. Nurse never examine patients. Okay, they take care the patient. So read the question properly and answer. Who examine patients? Who examine patient? Not nurse. That is doctor. Who examine patients and give them medicine? Give them medicine, that means prescribe medicine. Only doctor. The answer will be doctor. 7. Who make our neighborhood safe and secure? Policemen. Who make our neighborhood safe and secure? Policeman. And one thing more, the question can be asked like this: who maintains law and order to keep our neighborhood safe? That is also that is policeman. Okay. Who maintains law and order to keep the society safe? That is policeman. Okay. Answer will be policeman. 8. In case of fire, who put out that? That is answer, fire brigade. In case of fire, who put out that? which vehicle is used. That means which vehicle is used. That is fire brigade. Where we can keep our money and jewelry safely. Bank. Okay. So question number 10. Where we go to buy stamps and postcards. The question is where we go to buy stamps and postcards. The answer is post office. Okay. You have revised all this 10 one or two words answer. So this is from very short type of answers. 10 I have given. Like this, this is sample one. Like this we can answer the question this. Okay. So practice all this, and your homework is to learn the question answers from this chapter. I have given, I think it is given how many question answers I have given, that I am telling you. There are 10 question answers I have given you. 10 question answers. This 10 question answers you have to learn. Already we have revised on 16.6 we have done. Then 21.8 we have revised it. And today I am giving you homework to memorize this. Okay. So complete all this. Today's work, the classwork is learning of one or two words, answer in one or two words. This is classwork, and the homework is to memorize the question answers from the same chapter, that is our neighborhood services. So students, the class ends here. Good day.